First birthday, Mr. Marion Wright is 100 years old. Happy birthday, Marion.
Happy birthday, Mr. Wright.
Thank you for your service.
Jerry WININGER, also one of our 4 state heroes, and Jerry is celebrating his 77th birthday. Mr. WININGER, a very happy birthday to you in Joplin.
All right, look at that picture there. All right, we've got RIPKEN ZWAHLEN. I love that name, RIPKEN. Yeah, 3 years old for the little guy in Oswego.
KYRIE Johnson, he is also celebrating his 3rd birthday. KYRIE, a very happy birthday weekend to you in Pittsburgh.
Big smile there. TYLEE TROLLOPE, welcome to the teenage years. Beautiful eyes there. TYLEE is in Parsons, Kansas.
We have another teenager as Maya Norton is celebrating her 13th as well. Maya, a happy birthday in Girard.
Maya, I love your glasses. All right. Mom, Dad, and Danielle are wishing birthday wishes for Serena KERR. Serena is 15 years old in Chanute.
Run on up to Fort Scott, and that's where AJ HAGERMAN is celebrating the big 2-0. AJ, have a great weekend.
All right, happy birthday, AJ. And let's see, our neighbor Shannon BEISLEY. Wow, already 22 years old. Shannon is in Weir. Right.
Blake Hance, the big 2-6 right there. Happy birthday to you, Mr. Blake. He's in Parsons.
All right, your sister does not want you to forget. She remembered your birthday. Kyle Baker is 29 years old in Pittsburgh.
Michelle Browning, she has a 30th birthday. I would love to know the backstory to it. Happy birthday, Miss Michelle and Neo Show.
Either someone is laughing and appreciative or very angry at this moment.
Yes.
Happy birthday, Michelle. Sorry. Let's see. Hillary Evans turning 36 years old this year. What a great picture there in Columbus. Hillary there in the red shirt. Happy birthday.
Rebecca Helms, you may know her as Becky as she celebrates her 45th birthday. Becky, a very happy birthday in the Berg.
All right. Tonya Smedley turning 52 years old this year. What a great picture there of Tonya in Thayer, Kansas.
In St. Paul, Tom SCHOENHOFER. A happy 77th birthday to you, Tom.
All right, and birthday wishes going out to Carol Phelps, who just celebrated number 79. Congratulations and happy birthday, Carol, in Crestline.
And in Erie, Joyce HOWARD-GING, she's celebrating her 79th birthday. What a marvelous picture right there. I would love to know, Joyce, I would love to know how long you engaged in trick riding and equestrian, or if Mom and Dad caught you up there one day, snapped a picture, and then yelled at you to get down before you got hurt.
Well, the little Western getup that she's wearing, I think she did it. I think she was, like you call it, a trick rider. Or at least she wanted to be.
It could be both, yeah. Happy birthday, Miss Joyce.
Cool picture, very cool. Christina Walsh, celebrating another year wiser. Nice picture there, Christina in Chanute.
Keep it in Chanute because that's where Alice Tobin is celebrating her birthday as well. A happy birthday, Alice.
All right, we got a couple of anniversaries. Mark and TERRI Thompson celebrating 38 years together. Hey, that's a nice picture of the Thompsons in Pittsburgh.
We're going to make it an even 40 for Stanley and Tammy Burton. Marvelous looking picture right there of the Burtons. Congratulations on 40 years. They are in Columbus.
All right, our birthday list goes on. We've got Alexis Rowe celebrating. Steve Brooks is 53. Steve is in Girard. And in Columbus, Trenton Layson turning 12 years old this weekend.
A happy birthday to Debbie Palmer Santizo, as Debbie is 41 in Crestline. Callie Beechner, now 28. Happy birthday, Callie in St. Paul. George Bunker, he's celebrating the big number 1-2 this weekend. Sir George is in Carterville. And give you a screen all to yourself, Miss Vicki Kennedy, as she celebrates her 48th birthday. And Vicki, I want you to know that these happy birthday wishes come from the entire Mosaic group. Vicki is in Pittsburgh. Happy birthday and happy anniversary to all, whether you're celebrating this June the 25th. Maybe we're looking forward to a birthday on June the 26th tomorrow. Here's where you can send them into if you go the email route, birthdays with an S at KOAMTV.com. Or you can go to our website, birthdays at KOAMnewsnow.com. You can go to KOAMnewsnow.com, click on the old birthday link. Pretty much that simple to do. Just make sure you include the day on which we are celebrating your birthday or anniversary. Now here's Tonya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
And when you go to our website, you can also sign up and get special deals from local businesses by becoming a member of the KOAM Birthday Club. All you have to do is go to KOAMnewsnow.com, sign up for that KOAM Birthday Club today.